Supplier categories. Supplier categories are a way of organizing suppliers within a business or organization. They are often used to classify suppliers based on various characteristics such as their location, industry, size, or products offering. This can help businesses to better understand their suppliers and manage their relationships with them. There are many different ways that suppliers categories can be defined, and the specific categories used will depend on the needs of the business. For example, a business may use categories such as domestic suppliers, international suppliers, and small business suppliers, while a retailer may use categories such as high volume suppliers, specialty suppliers, and strategic suppliers. Supplier category only used for reporting purposes. You can add supplier categories from supplier module, go to suppliers, list, supplier categories, click add category. You can enter supplier description, supplier category description, and you can save. After that, you can view supplier categories. From here, you can view supplier category. You can sort supplier category by clicking these headings. You can search supply categories. You can export to CSV file. From actions, you can edit or delete supply categories. You can view number of supply categories available. Like that, you can create your supplier categories. In addition to that, when you are creating a supplier, that time also you can add your supplier category. You can select the category, and if that supplier category not available, by clicking this add new category, you can add supplier category. After you create your supply categories, when you are generating your reports, you can select by supplier category. Like that, you can create your supplier categories.